I've been trying to think about what it is that makes Ledwell special, because it is special. We have created this culture that matters. Anyone who comes here sees it.
We all feel like this is our company. Our last name may not be Ledwell, but we feel like it is. We want everybody to succeed, and it is a family environment that we love to work in.
It takes very good care of the employees. They don't look at you as a number. They don't look at you as a commodity that they can throw away. It doesn't take long before you become family, your family becomes family. Ledwell becomes who you are.
It continues to grow and just very welcoming.
At first it was just another job. Shortly realized that it was a place I'd like to stay.
Love being here and we'll never leave.
It doesn't matter if it's one of us or 10 of us, they care what our opinions are. They listen to what we have to say as well.
The family atmosphere and the ability to go straight to the owner of the company with your concerns, with your problems, and get an answer immediately.
That's what I want people to know about Ledwell, is our people are the key.